Acura MDX Rear Shock Absorber Unboxing. Shock Absorber Display. Tools required for rear shock replacement. Large torque wrench. Large extendable ratchet wrench. Large 17 mm long socket. Large 22 mm long socket. Large electric wrench. Use 22 mm long socket with extendable ratchet wrench to loosen rear wheel hub nuts. Lift vehicle. Use 22 mm long socket with electric wrench to remove rear wheel hub nuts. Remove rear wheel hub. Use 17 mm long socket with electric wrench to remove shock to chassis mounting bolt. Using the same tool, remove shock to lower control arm mounting bolt. Remove bolt. Remove shock absorber. Comparison of old and new shock absorber. Reason for shock replacement. Old shock absorber has been used for a long time, resulting in reduced damping. Therefore, replace with brand new shock absorber. Install new shock absorber. Install shock to lower control arm mounting bolt. Install shock to chassis mounting bolt. Use 17 mm long socket with electric wrench to tighten shock to chassis mounting bolt. Using the same tool, tighten shock to lower control arm mounting bolt. Use 17 mm long socket with torque wrench to torque shock to chassis mounting bolt to 80 Nm or 59 foot-pounds. Use 17 mm long socket with torque wrench to torque shock to lower control arm mounting bolt to 80 Nm or 59 foot-pounds. Install wheel hub. Install wheel hub nuts. Use 22 mm long socket with electric wrench to tighten wheel hub nuts. Lower vehicle. Repeat the same procedure to replace right rear shock absorber. Use 22 mm long socket with torque wrench to tighten rear wheel hub nuts to 150 Nm or 111 foot-pounds.